Hello, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed our story, I Want a Iguana. In that story, you noticed it's written as like a letter going back and forth from the mom to the son. And I really like how the son is saying a lot of different reasons on why he should get an iguana. He does a great job persuading his mom because then at the end, what does he get? An iguana. So this week, we are going to try and persuade somebody for something that we want. It can be a pet, or it could be a toy. It could be anything that you want. Don't feel like it has to be an animal like our story, just something that you want. So make sure you have your paper and your pencil, and we're going to get started. First thing I need to do is write my name and today's date. Mrs. Roger. And today is Tuesday, April 14th, 2020. So I'm going to write 4-14-20. 4-14-20. And I'm going to draw my line. So today for your writing, you're just going to make a list of a bunch of different things that you can think of that you want. This way, tomorrow when it comes time to start writing, you know which one is going to be your favorite or the one you really want to write about. So today we're just making a list of a bunch of things we want. So let's think for a moment. Put my lid on my marker. Okay. Something you want. Maybe it's a toy or a game, a book. Maybe it is a pet or an animal. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get started and show you what my writing's gonna look like for today. So one of the things that I want, especially right now since I'm stuck inside my house, is I wish I had more puzzles at my house. So I'm gonna draw a little puzzle piece and then I'm gonna label my picture. You guys have a lot of different ways you can do this. You can make a list like you did for things you know how to do, or you can make a picture and label it. But I have to see some writing on there. I want to see that you're stretching out your words and trying to write it by yourself. Remember, Miss Rondo is not the best artist, but I'm trying. Am I gonna cry or scribble it out? Nope, it's okay. I'm now gonna label next to it. So puzzle. Puzzle. Pedro. Like I got hit in the belly. You. Like zebra. Puzzle, like Leslie and Louise. Puzzle. There we go. Okay, now I gotta think of something else that I want. Something that I always like to get is new shoes. So I'm gonna draw a picture of a shoe. My laces. Okay, and now I gotta label it. Shh. Oh, shoe. That first sound is one of our H brothers. Shoe. Shh. Does that sound like Charlie, Shane, Theo, or Wheelie? Shane. Yeah, we're gonna make SH. Ooh. Usually when it says ooh, it's O-O. But for this one, it's a little tricky and it's O-E. So I'm gonna write it, shoe. Something else, since we're stuck inside thinking of my puzzle, something else I wish I had more of at my house was some books. I love reading and I can always use more books. So I'm gonna add that here. And we know that when we write the word books, we have two O's in it. Books. Books. Okay, my friends, I'm going to keep working on adding more things to my writing, but I want you guys to go ahead and get started. I think you have an idea of what your writing should look like today. So go ahead. I can't wait to see all the different things that you would want right now. Bye.